next year there ain't gonna be no fucking taxes. We ain't gonna worry about this shit. Today we don't need to.
Then I forgot about that. Oh, come on. Let's just start.
Headphones. Paul, you got headphones. Come here.
Turn it down.
Oh, I can't do anything.
I said turn it down.
Don't worry about the stuff in the background, guys.
I'm gonna take it away. I'm gonna turn this shit down too.
I did. It's just a game. It's just a game.
Headphones.
There, I turned it all the way. I turned it all the way down. You ruined my freaking video.
Fuck your video.
Oh, that's close. I can't get past this level. Get it, get it. I'm dead. Darn it. Oh. Darn it. I ain't ever gonna get. Darn it. Finally!
I wouldn't be sitting here today.
Darn, I forgot about that part.
1-800-493-4061. That's 1-800-493-4061.
No.
1-800-493-4061. For a free brochure, call 1-800-493-4061.
Lose weight fast with Slim Fast Advanced Smoothie Mix. Replace a meal with your favorite smoothie. 20 grams of protein as well as 1.
Yeah, guys, I don't think we're gonna make this one either. This one I have a good feeling about. Cause I'm a boss.
Sticks with them. Make sure the germs they bring home don't stick
Oh.
around. Use Clorox disinfecting products because no one kills germs better than Clorox.
For millions of baby boomers, there's a virus out there. A virus that's serious
No,
like HIV,
no.
but it hasn't
I'm
been
bad.
talked about much.
Let's restart that.
A virus that's been almost forgotten.
Paul, finish that.
It's hepatitis C.
1 minute, mama.
Has Hep C, yet most don't even know it. That's because Hep C can hide in your body silently for years, even decades without symptoms. And it's not tested for in routine blood work. If left untreated,
About
Hep
to
C
hit
can
this
cause
flip.
liver damage, even cancer. But there's important information for us. The CDC
Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
get tested for Hep C.
Best gamer ever.
Start from the Makes all you need every single
Let's go. Let's get it. Should we move on? Let's do two more levels. We can finish up the other ones tomorrow. Checkpoint. Darn it. Sorry, guys.
Specially formulated to soothe and moisturize your mouth, even fresh and bright, so nothing holds you back.
Whoa.
That's Dry Mouth. Relief
Hello, that make me blackula? The Simpsons totally suck. BYO blood.
Boss.
Free blood. Starts Thursday at 8.
Let's get it.
On FX now.
Wow. Looky.
Fun, I guess. Thanks for loaning me your pajamas, Homer. And Marge, thank you for those helpful chip bag clips.
Darn it. Did it again.
I just felt so ashamed I couldn't go home. Yesterday, I gave in to the one thing I vowed I would never have in my marriage. Strong feeling.
Here's your lunch, sis, with some cake. You'll be having cake for a long time. Bart, aren't you going to tell Mom and Dad about the problem you have? Shut up. I'm just saying they won't get better unless you talk to an adult. Now you know how to keep a secret. Why can't you?
Okay, sorry, guys.
Oh, Mark, let that kid have his embarrassing secrets and lies. They're according to the internet. I'm sure some idiot somewhere agrees with me. Because his avatar is Darth Maul, the second coolest stuff. And what he says is true because it's an old fact. Are you going to ask me a tap? He took the time to press the 16 bars. I think he knows what he's talking about.
After all this time,
Darn it.
you can try my dream and have racing kids.
Last level. Do it for fun. Thank y'all for watching. Hope y'all have a blessed day. We're going to do some more tomorrow. Bye.